Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a payment not completed on your iPhone. For example, if you have recently purchased something from the App Store or anything from is like that, and you see you have done a payment and you see payment has been not completed. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply search for the settings again, and you have to go to the Apple name or Apple ID. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to media and purchases, and here you have to simply click on view account. And after that, you have to simply make sure that it a new kind of interface is available. And in a new kind of interface, you have to simply provide your password, and after providing the password, you will find all the details here. Now I have provided the password in it, and now what you have to do, you have to simply click on manage payments. And here what you have to do, you have to simply provide payment method if you have doesn't add any payment method. And if you have already added that payment method, then you have to simply remove payment method, and you have to add a new payment method which works for you. So in this way, you can simply check for the payment method. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do next is you have to simply go to the Apple support, and you have to tell them what is the problem you're having. And after that, you will get the reply from the Apple support, and they will solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.